Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video and Wolandi. And as you know, see the description of the video, guys, we are gonna talk about weights. So just stick around and subscribe if for your first time. Alright, I could start it like this now. Lila Ike admits say she a lesbian, guys, and she no do man sake of some abuse with molestation when she did younger. You see me? So after that, I mean, Jada Kingdom look like she get brave up. Like Lila encourage her in a different way, cause she made that post. You see me? She said, I remember just a couple months ago, I finally for the first time gained the courage to tell my mother that I am a les, and she told me she knew all these years. But you know, Jamaican, guys, not just Jamaica, anybody with a brain can put twos and threes together. So she did tattoo a person name on her hand, which her man, and the caption say, yo, I'm from the ghetto where when you get a name of a tattoo, you love that person, right? So that's our man we should do with. And if you like girl, you're there with girl. You not talk as if I just girl straight, cause you buy if I so be the case. You see me? But Lila now on the other hand, she makes something clear, say our influencers in music are like Proto J, you see me, guys, and you see me, and look like enough people know what go on before it even go on, if you get me. You see me.
I have not slept. My granny the puppy and I try to reach up here right now, and to all me said the mission strong, me can't even move. Me have to wait till Ayana reach on my feet. Big up Ayana, a real one way. She come over yesterday today, and she come. And me tell her say she want me stylist, and me tell her say I want her to go program some clothes for me. But me should have never ever make she come off of the hill, no. Cause she could have bring it to where we go link my granny. Because watch her, a 2 car me have on the hilltop. One of them now start. The next one me can't find the key. The next one, we cannot find the key. New music will come, people. And the new music will come and go pop his seal. See Zaya, yeah? Zaya is one of the greatest producers around here, so. This is a young man with me.
Artist, this, yeah?
Me and Protege sit down and talk about every day. He had a plan, people. We had a plan to create some warriors of light. We had a plan to create some warriors of light. And I was the one searching for the warriors. Because Protege the God. Remember, say Jaja never left out in seat, He stay seated up. So who have to go look for you people, Now the angel. And me look. And I can tell you what every single one of them look like. I can tell you what every single one of them mission is. You get me? The warrior them right now in our music is not everybody is on the same mission as I am. Because Jazzy Lee's to come up in the hill where Jazzy Lee's there. Now who knows, maybe Jazz busy. And this is very random. But me and Jazzy in the street last night and I give her proper reasoning. Me and Zaya up here, so. Zaya, then I hear like my ball and right, get to tears. I hear time for talk your part of the story now.
See, man. Tears upon tears,
So my Wi-Fi come down.
Man, I'm here fully well going. How your connection stay now?
So see them live and move talk now, man.
Yeah, man, I did just one of them period in my entire career where I literally see one of the greatest people in the music. Just shell down emotionally and just
One banner, one flag.
know them here.
Remember says not a dirty rag. Chat no?
I hate that, man.
I hate that?
No, man, I build upon the story. Man.
No, tell them the story now. You know if you use the esoteric, man.
Yeah.
Me come up here, so. Me tell you, say, Zaya, me I feel one pain in my heart. Me say, Zaya, I feel like I want to go to the hospital. But you said to me, say, you say, no, man, sis, come sit down. Everything all right. Remember that? That you tell me, though. And when you tell me, say, everything all right, me come sit down side of you. Me tell you, say, I'm feeling the pain of the people because me been a going to ghetto. Me been a going to ghetto, remember, say, and Andrew can't come for me if him feel like. But we outside, for real. And so if me out there collect the ghetto tears, people, and I feel my heart to hold it down. And I know what's going on for my heart right now, don't it? Heavy. Remember, say, that's why I know, say, man like Chronic Law, the real one, can him say heart to bleed. Nation boss say, yo, me have to go airplane mode too, you know, Lila. The last time I talked to Popcorn say, trouble their feet. You see me? All of my warrior them there with me. Jesse Royal. And from when Jesse Royal tell me, say, Lila, we need to see you because the boss want to chat to you one time. People, we up here do the music out of the love of our soul case, don't it? That's why we're feeling it in our soul cases, in our soul plates.
You for money, yeah?
It could have never be for money. We're doing it because we have a mission. Bad mind couldn't deny it. Jealousy couldn't deny it. It cannot be in it because the whole way up here and your mouth one get up at. The whole way down on the ground and your mouth one get up at. The whole way and your mouth what?
One get up at, man.
Chalk up your voice now, yeah, man, you say it.
I have to make you lead, man. Deal with it.
I'm if you lead.
Yeah. We follow,
all right.
we follow it. You understand what I say?
So, remember now, you know, who am I got them in our music? Who are my teachers in music? Zaya, I talk to you about it all the time. Name one of them, quick.
I mean, Protege, man.
Protege are the first teacher in our music. Where dig it there? Out of Portal, though. Him not there on the ground. He might do some different work because the warriors of the light, he set already. He set already. He set from the whole of we connect. Right? But Janine there. Janine been a tell me say Lila forward over Tanzania, no man.
If you not still watch, guys, that girl named Moya Sewell, you know, it hurt my heart to see this over the internet, and this is not something what I want for broadcast. Because if me sick in a point of my life, at a point of my life, I don't want picture and certain things circulate like that. But you know me here say a cancer deal with the girl, say, you see me? And look how the girl look. I'm not going to hide and talk. She's a beautiful young lady or woman said we produce enough beautiful women in Jamaica. I tell her, say, January, look at them that try for help her, but I don't know what really happened, guys. But you see me, when I take care of myself out there, you see me.